This is the demo of our project for software engineering. The development environment is Visual Studio. And our topic is t-shirt and pants. The application is three-tiered application where the first one is data link layer, second one is business logic layer, and the third one is presentation layer. Presentation layer deals with the front end of the application where the home page, the product page are displayed to the customers, and the data link layer is a link between the business logic layer and the database, where this layer is responsible for establishing the connection and for performing database operations. This function IDE is responsible for insert, delete, and update operation, and this get table function is responsible for fetching data from the database. Now in business logic layer, order.cs is responsible for making an order where various entities and various fields are stored to tbl order from the web page. Payment.cs is responsible for storing payment information to the database to tbl payment info. Default2.aspx is the home page of our application, and here on button click, the function for making an order is called from business logic layer, and various validations for credit card, various validations for errors are also written on this part. Default.aspx is concerned with the payment processing page. Now let's see how the application runs. So this is the home page, and the users can select the product, choose the product quantity, color, and size, and make an order. For example, if the user has clicked on order now button, so that it cannot proceed further, and it says to choose the items because the customer have not chosen anything. So he or she needs to select the item that they want to purchase. They need to select their quantity, color, and size, and you can see that the total price also changes based on the item that they select. For example, if the customer has selected 3 pieces of jeans of color blue, of size small, and t-shirt of quantity 3, color white, of size small, then the total is $1,500. So okay, and the customer is landed onto the payment processing page, and customer needs to make sure that the information that they provide needs to be legitimate. They cannot give invalid information because the application won't proceed further. So suppose you can see that there are exclamation marks showing that the following fields are invalid. and it cannot be processed further because there are errors on this page. So customer needs to make sure that he or she has provided actual information. I've used some dummy card numbers provided by Visa for testing, so I'm going to use credit card number given by Visa for testing. For example, if I add 99 to it, it still is invalid. So that needs to be a valid Visa card, and I need to provide a valid billing zip. So now it seems to be alright. So it shows that order has successfully been placed. So now the admin should go to default3.aspx page to see the orders and the payment info. The latest order that I made was of payment ID 18. Payment ID 18, and payment ID 18 is associated with order ID 18. So in this page, the admin can actually see the metadata. He or she can see what are the information stored in database. So we can go and see all those information on SQL Management Studio as well, but on default3.aspx it has been made easier for the admin to see all those information. So it is not quite necessary to go to SQL Server and see all those fields. The database for our project is tpants, and let's retrieve some information from TBL order. So this is the information sort from the table. See from TBL AYMENT payment info. So you can see that all those information from a database is shown on this page, default3.aspx. So that's all about the demo of our project. Thank you.